What is going on, my Meta Millionaires? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby, Buy the Dip. Guys, this is my third time out today. Got some great information for you. Just want to cover the after hours action here on Meta. We're getting down to the close Friday, and let's get right here to it. Get this adjusted here. So, we ended the pre-market, the regular market at $4.13, and we look here after hours, we'll just refresh this. Hanging at $4.43. We came up another 7% since the close in after hours, guys. We moved 7% after hours. That is truly amazing to see. I love seeing it. We do have another stock I want to talk about as well that it's going up like crazy, and it could be one that it has a lot of hype going on it. It's a big short squeeze candidate. And it could be worth putting a little bit of money in it and see what happens, because it has a lot of momentum, but it could crash. It's very risky. But let's go in here and talk about the information I got for you on. All right, and first we're going to go here to the Fintel website and take a look at the updated short interest that we do have as of right now. We just hit refresh on this because I like getting the updated information, and we just got a little bit of an update here. The short squeeze score has moved up from earlier today. We was down in low 70s. And now we're at 77.69, ranked number 438. So not bad at all. This was updated about 14 minutes ago, and it said there was 150,000 shares at a leading prime brokerage available to short. This was updated 14 minutes ago, and it says the short fee is $2.09 if you want to short the stock. Check out this FINRA volume, guys. I know today we had about 40 million in volume, which probably is 40 million in volume here after hours. Yeah, this thing is still moving up after hours. It's crazy. We'll come back and check that. The FINRA information here we got. FINRA total volume was over 24 million. Over 6.7 million was shorted. Gave a FINRA short volume ratio of 27.7%. And the PSX has 115,000 short volume. That's the most that's had in a while. But with this much volume, we are going to see probably, possibly shorts piling in and thinking they're going to beat it back down, but they got another thing coming for them. All right, so now let's go take a look. Last time I checked, there wasn't no short transactions. We'll go here to the buyers. And we do have a couple here newer. We got this Deutsche Investment VIT Fund. They have a new position of 9,451 shares at $9.66. I covered these ones earlier. These were some small positions. This position here of the Blackstone was one that sold, I think, half of their position. Yeah, I think that's all of that. Let's go take a look if we have any updated sellers. No, this. And real quick, I have to throw this in here. I had a little extra time, went and created this funny meme, and I tell you what, man, it's becoming a little bit of a funny thing. I just had a little fun with this one. I just thought it'd get everyone a good laugh. We're going to enjoy the tendies as we go here. So let's get this playing here real quick.
Do not come. Do not come. Do not come.
I'm going to come.
Let that play again.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come. Oh.
Do not come.
That there what makes it for me. Oh man. So yeah, I did it where the shorts were saying do not come, the hedge funds are do not come, and then Trump's there with the Meta Millionaires saying he's gonna come. So, nothing to do with political. This was just a video I found. I did a little editing over the video, putting the words over it. So, just want us to have a little fun with that there. So, what I wanted to go in here to, take a peek back at Meta, where we're rocking at. $4.42 right now. Here is the stock that is high flying, guys, right here. Ticker symbol BBIG. Bbig. This stock is rocking and rolling right now. It has a very huge short interest. You can see this thing this morning was $3.50, and now it is currently, let me refresh it. is at $7.42 right now after hours. It closed at $5.30, and it even went up more. So this is what I'm saying the potential Meta has, man. Go into the stock twits of Bbig. It's rocking and rolling in there just like it is in Meta. Maybe we'll go take a look at the Fintel real quick on Bbig as well and take a look at those numbers. All right, guys, so here we are on the Fintel website on Bbig. I'm going to share this video in with Bbig on stock twits and all as well, so those people can see some premium Fintel numbers. And check this out. The short interest to float is 27.2%. Short squeeze score is 72. And I went down here. They have 0 shares left to short from a leading prime brokerage. This was last updated 23 minutes ago, and they haven't had no shares to short 9 hours ago from that brokerage. And that means to tell me that no one's returning the shares. And that is pretty insane. When I went down here to the short borrower rate fee, I was like, what is this? Like, what? Like, check that out. 52%, 55%, and it hasn't even updated today. They don't even know 9 hours ago it was updated. Well, the last time change was 9 hours ago. This updated 23 minutes ago, and there's no update of what the short borrower fee is. So, as this thing keeps climbing, man, I'm telling you, this is good. This is going to be one to watch out for. This is going to be one to watch out for, man. This is nuts. Look at this information here. The FINRA total volume was 130 million volume. FINRA short volume was over 73 million. 73 million short shares. So the more this goes up, they keep piling in more shorts, man, and I think it's going to end bad for the shorts. I really do. I can expect over here, we're waiting on the CBOE, but the PSX has 753,000. There's going to be probably 60-some% over here in the short volume, man. This is insane. This is just truly insane. Look at that. Heavy short interest of 27%, guys. And the fee was 50-some% to borrow. So I want my Metaholics to possibly, you know, look into this. Do your DD. Do your DD on this, man. This is a risk. Things trade. Let's refresh it. $7.47. Now, this is a gentleman that back when I used to cover Golden Nugget, ticker symbol Gnog, G-N-O-G, he was very bullish on Golden Nugget. Got me, you know, he just helped me confirm. If you don't know who Will Mead is, he's a former hedge fund manager, educated at the University of Chicago and Johns Hopkins. And he has over 217,000 followers, guys, on Twitter. He posted right here 10 minutes ago, I will be shocked if Bbig wasn't $10 Monday. I'm telling you, I may want to go ahead and put a little bit of money in this and just see if we get a ride up to $20, $30 and cash out. I mean, I don't know this thing, but those kind of just quick overview of the Fintel numbers, it gets me interested. I wish I could have bought here after hours. He also here talked about Root is squeezing up after hours. Ticker symbol ROOT is up 12% after 35% short interest. And here it is. Bbig now is up 30% after hours. Isn't this trading game fun? Now, I was scrolling back here on Will's post. There's also another one I did share. There's big news about ESPN. Let's go over this one as well. My guess it's going to be DraftKings. Why Disney owns a small chunk, 5-6% of DraftKings. ESPN is a monster. An exclusive deal with DraftKings could be worth a 50% pop on the DraftKings stock, in his opinion. The boardroom here posted, ESPN has talks to license its brand sportsbook, per the Wall Street Journal. The deal, which involved both Caesars and DraftKings, is reported to be valued more at $3 billion. Wow. So that is one to consider as well, guys. DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG, which you also could do Gnog, because Gnog is going to be merging in with DraftKings. That's ticker symbol GNOG. And here you go. Biggest percent movers. Yeah, you got GAMB as well. I mean, I did see GAMB was on one of the high flyers on Robinhood. I was on there browsing of the daily movers, and GAMB, GAMB, a lot of short interest on these stocks. 66% change. Check that out. I scrolled back here, and Will, over the last couple of days, he was saying, man, how Bbig is going to squeeze, and I'd be darned if he's not right. He is right. So I got to make sure I keep following Will, man. He's pretty good at picking stocks that are going to have a move. So that's why I'm going to keep a little cash back. He picks one out. I may dip in it a few $100 and see if we can ride it up 2-3x it or something, man. That's what it's all about. Getting some gains, giving me more money to buy back into Meta. Speaking of Meta, we'll be setting that right here. $4.43, man. It's just truly phenomenal. So I just want to say, let me get this back up here. I want to say thank you to everyone that came into the live stream earlier, man. It was truly amazing watching Meta just high fly up and do crazy things. Everyone was so generous and so awesome. I love the community here at the Meta family. I wanted to throw out some other plays that I think can make us some money. I think that Bbig, it's risky because it is high flying, but look at what support did. It shot up. Now it's back down crazy. So you do have to know when to take profits on these if they're flying like that. I mean, support was up from $7 to $55, and now it's back down to like 20 or 30. So be very careful. I think, buying in this Bbig, just, getting in probably under $10 Monday morning could possibly pay off. You could ride it up a little bit, put a trailing stop loss on it, and capture some gains. So I may be looking to do that. I'm still going to consider it and maybe talk to some few people and see what they think about Bbig, if there's more room to grow, and possibly get a squeeze out of it and see if we can get some tendies. So, all right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash a thumbs up. Check out the links down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.